Please do not create another video using the built-in camera on your computer until you watch this. I'm gonna show you how to turn all of this into this. This is no editing, nothing, no different lights. I'm gonna show you how to do it for under 100 bucks. Okay, so this is what we get with the built-in webcam on the iMac. And this is what we get from the MacBook Pro. Not much better. And here's the X Factor. It is the C922X 1080p Full HD webcam. This goes right on top of my iMac, and it gives us a dope picture. One more thing I want you to see. This camera is also awesome if you have a green screen and you want to remove the background. Check it out. Pretty sweet, right? It's pretty sweet. There's a link to the camera and this cool backdrop in the description below. I do recommend that you invest in a nice camera like the Logitech C922X if you do a lot of recordings for video game channels, tutorials, makeup videos, anything like that. It's definitely worth the investment. I hope you guys found this valuable. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.